Well, all right, y'all. The time has come to show you guys the new spot. Now, I'm warning y'all, haters, you need to log off now because you're going to get rocks in your jaws because you're going to be sick if you stay here and watch what I'm about to show you. So, friends, family, loved ones, Patreon, supporters, this is for y'all. This is in no way me trying to brag. What I'm doing is showing you guys if you stay prayed up, you stay blessed up. And this should inspire y'all. But enough of the talking. El, show them what it look like.
Welcome for our new home.
Hey.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. It's you.
music.
Hey, music.
Say, save yourself back, man.
Save yourself back, man.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
No, though, tomorrow. You laying here with your big old leg. That's how you sit with your big old leg. Oh. Alright, you guys, this is our first official day at the new digs, you dig? Oh, you doing it Thai style. Oh, you made shabu for real, huh? You making shabu.
You just already said
Not a big shabu guy.
Keep it easy.
That's mine right there. I have my cup of noodles. She got her Thai shabu. You dig? You sitting in my seat with your big old leg. You don't sit up there with your big old leg.
First time I just sit like that.
Can I see? Alright, y'all. This is what it look like. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.